Hi viewers, today we'll see how to download and install Jenkins. Jenkins is one of the continuous integration tool and it's open source. So in order to download Jenkins, just go to Google and type Jenkins download. So jenkins.io is the website. Go to that website and here you have the download link. So this will give you the latest version of Jenkins. So here the latest version is like 2.121.1 and then we need to select like Windows. We can download it as a Windows installable and also like generic Java package. Let's try to do the both. um, First I'll do this generic Java package var file. So here you can see like the jenkins.var file is getting downloaded. So I have copied the downloaded file to Jenkins folder. So in my C drive I have created a new folder called Jenkins. Inside Jenkins folder I have copied the downloaded jenkins.var file. Now go to the run and type cmd to open command prompt. In the command prompt, just make sure like you are having a Java version. So in my system I have already installed Java. Java version is 1.8. So Jenkins currently supports Java version 8. So 9 and above it will not support. So you need to have Java version 8. So now use the command java hyphen jar and then give the path. Give the path of your Jenkins var file. This will extract your var file. Here you can see beginning extraction from the var file. This will take some 30 to 40 seconds for the extraction. So now the extraction is complete and here you can see Jenkins initial setup is required. An admin user has been created and password generated. So just copy this path. This is where your admin password is available. Right click to copy. Go to your run command and paste the path to open the file. I'm going to use notepad. So this is my password. Now from the browser type http colon localhost colon 8080. This is the default path. Now it will prompt you to enter the password. Just paste the administrator password and click continue. Click never. So it will ask you to install the suggested plugins and then select the plugins to install. I'm going to select my own. So by default it needs some of the plugins. I'm going to install all those. Now we can see like it is trying to download and install the required plugins. We can see the progress here.
Once the plugins gets installed, it will ask you to enter your first admin username. You can give any name, test user, and give some password. Confirm the password. And to give save and continue. In case if you want to change your URL, you can mention it here. I'm going to continue the same. Now click on start using Jenkins. So now the Jenkins homepage has been displayed. If you want to create a new job, just click on this new item. This is where you'll be entering your job name. Now we have successfully installed Jenkins. In our next video, we'll see how to create a job and other subtopics on Jenkins. Thanks for watching.